Welcome to Our American Travel. Hey, we decided a couple of weeks ago we needed to upgrade our bed. Last time when we went out, we just found, even though we have this current mattress, we found it a little bit uncomfortable, even though we had a topper on it. And so we decided to upgrade with a Zinus Green Tree memory foam, which is much like we have at our house, a king size. And so we've gone with a full queen. It's been interesting to see how it fits in here, and we're able to close it with a Murphy bed. So we're going to have some footage here in a minute, and hopefully everything goes well. All right, so we're going to take the mattress pad. What's all that on there? The mattress pad off.
It's on the towel.
And we've got this, what's this called? A topper. We're going to take this topper and get it out of here.
That's a
later.
topper.
A topper. And we're going to get it out of here. I said topper. And get it out of here first, and then we'll get the mattress and we'll take it. And we're going to use this topper probably to shore up some of the foam in our bed. And so looks like my wife is going to finagle this out the door, and I'm going to try to finagle, if that's really a word, I'm going to try to finagle this out the door. You'll notice this one kind of folds in half. Our new one doesn't fold in half, so it'll be interesting to see kind of how that works. We could actually take the foam out of this mattress, I guess, and try to put it in our couches. So that's a great picture there of you know, the mattress. I'm sure you're excited about that. Hey, there it is.
Can't see you, can't see me.
There's the box. The queen size Zinus. And now it says not to use any kind of cutter, but if you're one of those kind of people that always follow the rules, you probably shouldn't watch this. But we'd like for you to watch. Right? Because I'm going to use something I'm not supposed to use. So it comes all wrapped up and vacuumed up and compressed up. And we're going to just try to flip this up right here. We can get this out. This is a lot easier in my mind than it actually is.
I got the dog. Ooh, ow.
So, here's where the real no-no comes in, probably. Using scissors.
There's a place where it's safe to cut, right?
No.
Stop, please read me. Before I didn't read.
I guess they have melted the plastic there a little bit. That's kind of the outer layer. A book? What does this look like to you? I don't know what it is. Maybe there's some instructions we're supposed to read before we do this.
We have already bought one of these mattresses before for our own bed, so we have to.
And our daughter's bed.
Our son's bed.
Well, we didn't buy that.
Oh, yeah, either. Oh, it's not dirt on
Actually, we didn't buy hers either. So.
That's right. But we helped her put it on.
Well, there it is. Does it look comfy?
It looks smaller than the other one.
Well, it has not expanded yet. This is supposed to be an 8-inch, and right now it's probably about 4. And so when we come back out here later, it should be a little bigger than what you see right now.
Hey, if you can see, our new mattress is kind of filled out. Looks pretty good. So we're going to make the bed. There's really no place to, well, there's lots of places to store the sheets, but I think once I get there, I'm not going to want to do it. So we really thought this was a true walk-around queen, and it's not. But I'm glad that we have this extra space and the storage cabinets. So I guess I'm okay with that.
Yeah, it just makes it difficult to get these back corners. So my wife is limber enough to crawl back there and do all this. Where me, on the other hand, it would be I should probably do this and film it sometime for comic relief.
That would probably be funny.
Because we would have some serious comedy.
Why don't we do it now?
Well, nah, I don't want to break anything. We're getting ready to go on a trip here. This may be on separate videos of the trip, but
and it's raining outside.
and it's raining, so it seems like our camping experience has been great, but it seems like it rains at least one day. So today's the day, and maybe in the morning. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, that's been a lot of fun, and we're just glad to get this new bed because I've had problems sleeping on the other one. And hopefully, this one.
Sorry, trying to get my shoes on.
Hopefully, this one will
because the rug is wet.
A little bit better than that. We'll
This
see.
is the first time he's ever made the bed.
That is just not
I
true.
know.
And I don't know why you continue to tell those stories.
Oh, I'm going to
about
have to take
me.
my own. Can you hand me that sheet?
So can I hand her the sheet? Yes, I can.
It's fun to tell stories. I enjoy it. Makes me happy. You want me to be happy, right?
All right, well, I'll let you be happy. Go do that by yourself. I want you to get full enjoyment, not just partial.
This is the hardest part. And I know there's special sheets out there, so if anybody wants to leave a comment on a link where we can get them, we'll promote you. Okay. I was going to do that.
Well, I mean, just might go a little quicker if you. That's what I like. Let's just turn it down. I'll just turn it down. That way, it makes it a little easier.
I want to put it all the way up there.
Okay, do it as you please.
So you're wanting to just like hold it like right here?
Yeah, we can always move it up later evenly as opposed to one side at a time. I don't know how to do it. So do it whichever way is best for you. Now I just think we can turn it up.
I'm pretty sure we're going to need some more. Because this is an awful lot that we're taking in down here.
Should be all right.
Wait, I need to tuck in that side.
I have, and I'm kind of waiting on you, to be honest with you.
This is what our camping experience is like. We just chill all the time. Not really.
You want to move that up now?
No, I don't want to move it up. I want to tuck it in on the side, like you said.
Okay.
I already tucked my side in.
Well, we're really going to cut all this because you're not really cooperating at all with the video master.
With the video master.
You can't really tuck in the part that we're going to turn up eventually, so anyway.
That's fine.
I just don't want to get the point.
Yeah, that's too short.
Well, it's perfect. So we're going to cut all this because we're being negative, Nelly.
No, we'll just put some music in.
We also got a new comforter. And my wife says she heard that don't use comforters, but just about everybody I've seen has one, so I really I'm not sure what that means. But anyway, maybe they take up too much room, I don't know. But
I think it's hard to make them because you have to crawl up there.
This is a full queen comforter. And I know a lot of people have gotten kings, so we'll see how this works for us. This is pretty inexpensive, so relatively speaking.
Okay. Observation number one, it's really hard to tuck in over the sides. So that may be one reason why.
Well, if you got a king, it'd be even harder.
Yeah. So I'm glad we didn't get a king.
I don't even know if you need to tuck it in over the side. That's just me. I would rather flip it under, I think, than tuck it in over the side.
Oh, there we are. Okay,
So this is the first attempt to ever put the bed up so we could have our Murphy bed couch. And so I don't know if you guys can see me. But anyway, we're going to try it first chance ever on a full-size queen that doesn't fold. So everybody says it's possible. So here we go.
Oh. A bit.
Well, you just got to stuff it in. Let me go over there.
I can Oh boy, this is fun. It's not possible.
Well, I think it might be possible, but
Yay! And look, it's a curtain.
voila! So it works, but it's pretty tight fit, I'll have you know.
Yeah.
And as you can see, we've got some sloppiness going on there with coming out the side, but you got to kind of force it up there.
I've been, okay.
So the next step is we do have another latch. We're going to try to put that on the other side and see how that works.
And where did you get these latches?
Actually, I call it Forest River themselves, and so I will try to put that in the link below. We put it's a strike plate and a latch. I got 2 of them. We really only needed 1, so I just kept an extra just in case we needed it. So,
but they're the exact same one.
They're the exact same one that we currently have up here. So we're going to try to put that on here, and we'll try to put a little footage of that on here as well. So it works. It's a tight fit, but it works. I have to get that bread nailed around here. Okay, could you hand me another screw, please? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here's the Murphy bed all back up, and you can see I've added a new latch. One of the things, I got a factory latch, and one of the things about the factory latch, you can see there's really not a left hand and a right hand. They only have right hand hatches, and so I had to kind of flip this one upside down. And then because I guess the Murphy bed is not in there 100% square, you guys can kind of see I had to put a little spacer in behind there to get it to latch. So probably would have been better off just with a different kind of latch, but I got the factory latch anyway. So there it is, all put back up, and my wife's going to put the couch back in if she can, and she did a great job with it. Now, rather than doing one hand, we got to kind of do 2 hands, and it comes down pretty easily. I about dropped it. So it's a little heavier than the other mattress, and so it works. Full-size queen, Linus, and did I say Linus in his blanket? I meant to say Zinus, and we'll put a link down in the description. Like she said, it's not really a walk-around bed, so my method is to crawl in from the end. But the new mattress feels really, really good. What do you think?
It feels amazing.
Amazing, much better than the previous thing.
Yep.
So anyway, thanks for watching.
Good night.